sunshine. Parrot. In the lush world of green trees, there's a colorful and cheerful bird called the parrots. Let's explore their exciting and joyful life. Parrots have feathers that are as vibrant as a rainbow. They can be found in dense forests, perched on high branches while singing their beautiful songs. Their colorful feathers are like a living painting that brightens up the forest. Even though they're called parrots, they love to play and joke around just like little kids. They have a unique voice, capable of mimicking various sounds from their surroundings. So, listening to them, we might be surprised by the funny noises that come out of their beaks. Parrots also enjoy gathering with their friends. You can find them in tall trees, chatting with each other in cheerful tones. They're like the hosts of a never-ending forest party. One of the most fascinating things about parrots is their ability to soar high in the sky. They navigate through the trees with agility and sometimes perform entertaining moves in the air. It's like their own dance performance. Imagine how delightful life is with parrots. They are singers, players, and dancers of the colorful forest party. Let's together enjoy the joy and beauty they bring to this world of trees. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss the next video. See you!